Hi, today I want to talk about conditional sentences. Conditionals are a type of sentence that we use almost every day, if not every single day. There are 4 different kinds, let's say intermediate level, because there are also some mixed conditionals that are a little bit more advanced. And there are other structures, but today I'm just going to focus on the 4 most important conditionals. We use them, as I said before, very often. Are you familiar with them? Are you using them confidently? We are going to break them down one by one, and we're going to understand the formulation, and we're going to understand when to use them as well. Conditionals type 0. First, the formula. You got 2 clauses, the if clause or the condition, and the result. Formula in the if clause. You must put the verb in the present simple. Formula of the result. The verb must also be in the present simple. For example, if you mix red and blue, you get purple. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. That's conditional type 0. When do you use it? You use it when the result is always the same. The result is always true. That is why we use the present simple in both clauses, because one of the uses of the present simple is that we use it for things that are always true. That's conditional type 0. Let's now look into conditionals type 1, or also known as first conditional. First, the formula. In the if clause or the condition, we must use the present simple, whereas in the result clause, we have to use the future simple. Let's see an example. If you plan very well, you will be very productive. The usage. When do we use the first conditional? We use the first conditional to speak about real situations now or perhaps in the future. The first conditional implies that whenever you do something, you are very likely to get the same result. So if you do this, it's very probable that you will get that. Time to remind you that if you still have not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to do it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload or create any new content. Let's tackle next conditional number 2. First, the formula. Second conditional. What is the formula in the condition? We have to use the past simple. What is the formula in the result? We have to use would, or a modal verb in the past form. Let's see some examples. If I had more time, I would deliver a much better result. If I were you, I wouldn't do that. What about the usage? We use the second conditional for imaginary situation. Things that are not real, they are hypothetical. We spend quite a lot of time wishing for things or imagining things that we would like to have or we would like to do. Let's now look into conditional number 3. First, the formula. In the condition or the if clause, we have to use the past perfect, whereas in the result, we have to use would plus have plus the verb in the past participle form. Let's see some examples. If I had had more time, I would have delivered much better results. When do you use conditional number 3? Well, these conditionals are called or are understood to be unreal situations. And why? Because they happened in the past. So it's kind of like a regret. There is no solution. We cannot do anything about that. If I had studied more, I would have got into my desired university. But that doesn't have a solution anymore.